Hi all, today we are going to see testing JavaScript and TypeScript using Jest. Jest is NPM module which I am going to use to test my JavaScript. Okay, for testing I need to first set up Jest. I have to install Jest and types Jest. Okay, let me for this I have a simple application for testing this. Okay, I have a simple sum which I want to test using Jest. Okay, the first step is setting up Jest. So you need to do npm install Jest. Okay, so let's wait for it to get installed. So it got installed now. So let's proceed to installing this as well. So this one, npm install types Jest. This is also you install it. Okay, so that you get all the types available in Jest, which all are exported. You just get that. So this is also installed for me now. Now other step is, as per my thing, you have to create a configuration file. Okay, so let me create a configuration file in the root where you have the source, right, in the same root. Okay, maybe not a configuration file, just okay, just config.js. I already have it a sample configuration. I'm just using that. Okay, right now let us not transform, just remove that. And here what I'm mentioning is what all where my in test regex I mentioned where the test is mentioned, where that I will be writing my test file. So under which directory? Right now I'm saying that inside test, and the test name will be with anything, test or spec. Okay, under test and anything, and module file extension is what it just needs to test is it has to test JS, JSX, JSON and Node files, and I am asking to use the reported default, and I've set verbose true. Okay, so this is next step. I have written the configuration file as well. Now to write the test file. Now the next step is implementing Jest as per my slide. For writing the test file, let me create a new folder inside this. Okay, because I mentioned my test file will be inside test, I am just creating a folder. Okay, since I have mentioned it, it will be inside test. And the next thing I have said is it will have some or spec in its file name. Okay, so I will mention it as sum.spec.ts. Okay, now I will write the test file for testing this sum. Okay, so what I can do is just write test test here testing sum, right? Test belongs to Jest. Okay, here then you have to expect, you can use expect, which is from Jest. You expect whether maybe you can import the sum. Okay, and I will say maybe 1 plus 1 comma 2, because the sum takes the two values, two inputs, and just I will check whether is it written in the correct sum. Okay, sum 1 comma 2 to be 3, right? So this is my simple spec test. Okay, now I have written everything. So the test file I have written for testing the sum function. Okay, that is also important. Now can I run the npm? For running that, you also add it in package.json. It is already added for me. So you have to add test just, and you also add build tsc also. These two you just add. Okay, so that when I give npm run script test, it will run the jest, and run build will run tsc. Okay, so npm test. So first, if I run just, will it run now? Just see that whether it runs. See, it is saying no test file because in the jest.config you have mentioned only JS, you have not mentioned TS. Even if you mention TS, the jest by itself will not be able to run because jest knows only JavaScript. Okay, so for jest to run, you have to convert, transpile all the JS as TS. Okay, all TS as JS. What you can do it is, you can create out directory in lib in tsconfig.json. Okay, so that all your transpile files will go to that library. Just now run npm run script build. Now it should build all your JS and TS files as JS files inside the lib folder once this TSC is done. Now it is done and all your TS are converted as JS. You can see it here. Now you can run the npm run test again, so that you already have the JS file, right? You can make just run that. Just run npm run script test again. Now it should be able to run this sum spec.js. Yes, it is able to run, right? And it passed, right? You are able to see. Now coming to our now you have implemented jest to test our JavaScript files. Now how to make it run test our TypeScript files? For test in TypeScript, you need also tsgest, which is a preprocessor to convert your TS as JS. Okay. So for that we have to first install tsgest. Let's go to our folder, npm install tsgest. Now we have installed jest. Now we can use the tsgest to transform your files. We can say to that jest configuration that before testing you convert all the ts files, you convert to JS and then run with jest. For that you also need to add this line. For transformation, all the ts file you convert using tsgest. Okay, I'm just for that you just mention this in the just configuration. Okay, Okay, I'm just mentioned configuration in tsgest, telling it to transform all this ts files as tsgest using tsgest because of the okay. But this will not create the lib folder as we have here. We actually build and create transpile files we have seen, right? This will not do it for us. It will not create the JS files and put it in our directory. That will not happen. But internally, it will use TSJS to convert as JS and then do the steps. Instead of we adding extra step, building and then running with Jet, it will do it internally. It will first use TSJS to transform and then use just to test it. Okay. Now we don't need this lib because we are going to directly test the TS files with the help of tsgest. Okay. Now okay, I don't have JS files here, and you also add TS here because we are going to also test TS, right? In module file HTML also add TS. Now you just run the test again. Now it should be able to test the TS files. Now you are able to see it is running the TS file, which it will convert to JS using tsgest and then run your test. So you can see it now. Now also it got passed, right? Okay. So this is about testing JavaScript and TypeScript with Jest. In my next session, I will tell you how to test a asynchronous event. Asynchronous may be a call to the server using Jest. Okay. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.